Hello guys, I am inside of my fridge. Let me just, I was inside of my fridge.
Bye.